Hey guys, welcome back. Matt the Cruz from Network Empire. Very excited to have you here, and I'm going to jump straight into the session and tell you what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so today we're going to show you how to create a website using our plugins. We're going to use Digital Marketer's Toolbox, and in the session we'll work with WP Engine and Namecheap.com. This is going to be an easy step-by-step guide, so you can follow along, or you can actually download the PDF below to actually get the steps. I'm going to show you guys a fast and simple way to create a website without having to learn HTML, CSS, coding, or having to lead long, boring skyscraper tutorials. We're going to jump straight in and get straight to the point, show you slide by slide what you need to do at each stage, and we'll get you up and running in 20 to 30 minutes with your new website. So who's this for? This is basically for guys who are beginners, who are new to building their websites. The time you're going to need is about 20 to 30 minutes to follow along. And what you'll end up with is a full website domain. This is your hosting setup on WP Engine and your domain purchased at Namecheap.com, and you've installed your SSL certificate for your security, so your domain is nice and secure. So in these sessions today, we're going to cover a few things. We're going to cover web hosting, and we're going to register your domain. Then once you've registered your domain, we're going to go and set up your hosting, and then we're going to design a website by adding the theme, and we're going to finish up by building the site architecture and then adding some content.